In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine PDF files in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the File tab, top left, and then you want to go to New Document over here, and you want to click on Combine Files into a single PDF. Now, once you do this, this window will open, and basically what you have to do is either add files or add a folder which has the files. So I'm going to click on Add Files over here. It's going to open up my files, and I'm going to actually select this first document, and then just a random image in PDF format over here, but of course you can select however many PDFs you want and then of course combine these. So I selected these two. By the way, if you don't know how to do this, you have to hold down your Control key on your keyboard and then just click on those that you would like to actually combine, and they're gonna get selected. Now over here you have to then press this open button, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to basically give you all the PDFs you put in, and of course you can click on a specific one here, and of course you can also set the page range. So for example here, it noticed that I had 3 pages on this PDF, so I could do like custom, and I could just do like one of the 3 pages or maybe 2 of them or whatever, and then here I only have 1 page, so only 1 is showing. Now after you've modified everything, you could go ahead and just click on the OK button, and I'm going to click on yes over here, and as you can see, this will open up a new PDF, a new document, which basically is the combined PDF with this image over here. So I actually combined the 2 PDFs. Now that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.